So y'all, I'm out here tonight looking for some bargain deals. So I came up into Lowe's Foods, and they always have their clearance items in the back, y'all. I was trying to see if there was some meat and stuff that they had marked down, but they didn't have none of that. So came back here to this clearance item. Let me show you what I'm getting, y'all, and why. So I hope y'all enjoy this video vlog. This is what I got so far. These expire November 2024, but these are bacon bits, and you can go over baked potatoes, anything, green beans and stuff to add some flavor to it. They're $1.80. And that's 5 of us. You know, 5 of us will go through one bag, and a bag and a half. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get these right here. They are $1.29, but they are peas and carrots. They expired 2025. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those, okay? Look, they got sliced peaches up here, but they $19.99 on clearance. And I said, no, no, baby cakes, that's still high. Still a little too steep. What is this right here? Strawberries and cream oatmeal, instant oatmeal. Let's see. $3.19. No, not for markdown in this Food Club brand. Now I ain't finna do that one right there. I did see down here they got some of this mint leaf jelly. I'm thinking about trying it. It's $2, y'all, and they got a lot of it. I think I'm gonna get one. It don't expire until, let's see, 2027. See this? 2027. I'm gonna get one though. It's $2. Let's see how that is. I was looking at right here. It expired 2025, July 11, 2025. But I'm actually thinking about, let me get this one right here. Ham glaze. I can add that as different seasonings, you know. And it's clearance out $2.15. So that's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 of them. All right. I'm gonna get 2 of those. Put this back like this. What is this right here? I don't know, but it's a little too high. Oh, there goes some of that. I can't believe it's not butter. How much you going for? $3.90? You still a little too expensive at $3.90. No, I don't want that. What's this? Pork panko. Oh, $7.65. Okay. They got some peanut butter down here, crunchy, but it expires this year, and it's a good price. It's $2.75, but I'm not gonna get that. I see they got some picante sauce, salsa, right there. I don't know. It's $2.09. It's going for $2.09. So, yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, y'all, I'm up in here. Oh, them poppy seeds. I see after what happened to me one time with poppy seeds. I said, never again. Never again. Some of y'all may know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then you just won't never know. No. Let's see. So I think that's all they have. What's this right here? Some type of vinaigrette. I'll be getting them vinaigrettes. $3.90. I don't want to pay that. What's this? Oh, diced pimentos. When do they expire? Let's see. 2026. And they only $1.39. I'm getting these. Yes, I am. Little gems. I come out here, y'all. Came in here to get what I needed to get. Okay. Got those. I see some vitamins right here. Flintstone. Oh, they're $8.50 though. Oh, no. What's going on down here? Let's see. I don't know where this camera is. I know I gotta run over to Publix. Ain't gonna be in there long. That may be on this one. What's this? Pasta, $1.79. No, I don't want that right now. So yeah, I did manage to get that. $7.50. I think that's what I saw that I'm probably gonna get from here. So yeah, I got a couple more little goodies to put in the emergency stockpile. This is how I'm prepping, y'all. When you do it like this, it adds up. Down here, and these will be good to have in the morning. Pink strawberry, $1.75, and you get 6 of them. Here, Kylie in here with me. I'm gonna go ahead and get both of these, cause I mean we'll have that 8 by September. Shoot, that'll be gone real quick. Let me make sure I ain't forgetting nothing. It says Super Bellies. What's this? Organic pear beets and is this for baby? Oh, for 2 years. Okay, that's for little bitty babies, I guess, for the little ones. Make sure I ain't forgetting them. I'm sure adults can have it, but I'll leave that. Somebody may come through with the little ones and get it. Let's see, 50. That's all I'm like. All right, cause I saw that. Now I was like, let me go ahead and get that right here. Okay, 50. Oh, I don't see this. See how much these are. But they're $1.25. They're $1.25. But that's, let's see. Best Buy 2027. It's only 3 of them. But they $1.23 marked down in here. I'll go and get them. It may be something quick for the kids. Something sticky right there. Make sure it didn't get on the box. Here, Kylie. I'll go ahead and grab those. Here. Yeah. Okay. No problem. I guess that's dairy free. So that's what they have in this little clearance section, y'all. Some cakes and stuff they got marked down on clearance. You can take this and freeze it. It's $3.49 for a whole apple pie. Let me see. When was the Best Buy date? It don't. July 24th. What's today? I don't know. But they look like they've been through it. If they looked a little nicer, yeah, they don't look so good. You could take that and freeze that if you wanted to.
Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. 아주 멋쟁이 넌 하루 종일 세상 혼자 사는 듯이 그래. 표도한 태도가 날 더 미치게 만들어. Meet me up near the riverside. We can push everything aside. Make stars align, let's just collide. Yeah, yeah. Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice.
Hey guys, so as you can see, I am going into Publix. It's the next morning that I'm editing this video, doing this voiceover, so excuse me if my voice just won't get right. But anyway, I went into Publix. All I had to do was pick up just 1 or 2 items, but in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the things that I like that are dairy free, gluten free, and all that. Not too many. I'm just gonna kind of like point it out. When it comes to the Ready Whip, they did not have any of the almond milk one that I wanted, so I have to get the coconut. And I used to work for Publix before. This lady stopped me that worked there, and she was asking me, how does the coconut Ready Whip taste? Because she is lactose intolerant and she can't have dairy. I told her it was good, but I normally like the almond milk one that they have for the Ready Whip, but they stopped selling it, seemed like, for Publix. So she said you can order it. I said, oh yeah. I said I used to work for Publix and I forgot about that. She said you should know that. And we just laughed. But yeah, anytime there is something you really, really want from Publix, if you ask them about it, they will order it for you. That's like part of their policy, okay? So yeah, I was just getting what I needed. Looked at some kimchi, as y'all saw, that just passed by. Looking at the vegetables, and like I was telling y'all in another one of the videos, just because it's a, it's a low cost for per pound for like produce, you have to look at how many people is in your house, how many people going to be eating off from it, and how much you have to buy, because it does add up. Now, it is really, really good still to get your stuff at the lowest price when it's on sale, because it's going to be a lot cheaper. But it still adds up, y'all. Y'all all know what I'm talking about. Y'all feel me on that, okay? So I know y'all do, because we have to deal with these high prices or whatnot. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing in this particular video. Just looking around, browsing around, scouting it out and all that. Let's see. Now that I'm caught up with the actual video, I was over here, looking for the dairy free, and there we go, the coconut. Now, the coconut did bother my stomach, but I think it was because I had my gallbladder. Since I don't have my gallbladder, I've ate it and it did not do anything. And I think it was just the richness of coconut. That is my Kite Hill cream cheese that I like, was sold completely out. I have oat milk here at the house, so I decided to go ahead on and pick up some almond milk, which I think I got coconut almond milk, but I didn't have the regular milk. I think that's a coconut. No, it may be coconut. I have to look. I don't know. So y'all, I left up out of there, got back to the car because I had somewhere else to go, and so I wasn't going straight home. So look what I did. I was tired anyway. I tried to put the daggone hot and cold bag. Y'all know I take my own bags in there. So I had to take it out because it was too small for this cooler. I put cool ice in it before I left house because I knew I was going to get my ready whip, okay? So I tried to put the milk in there. It said, no. Too big, honey. Gonna have to get you a bigger cooler if you want to put something like that in there. But that was fine because my hot and cold bag keeps stuff very, very cold for hours. But I did go ahead and put my ready whip in there. I left my cherry plums and my milk in the hot and cold bag.
She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she